Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop, Signature Glass Tinting, looking at this 2018 Tesla Model 3. I'm not going to spend a lot of time with this video simply because this car is really dirty. Customer's super cool. I told him I want to just grab the camera and make a quick little video, and he said go for it. But again, we both agree the car is dirty. We need to get it washed, bring it back, and maybe make a real nice video that shows off everything we have to offer. But real quick, let's just go to it. So when it comes to the back window on the Tesla Model 3, we own the back window, and we do all the heat shrinking, all the cutting on our back window. Never ever do we hand cut on this actual piece of glass, or ever do we use a heat gun on this actual piece of glass. Morning. When it comes to the doors, we digitally cut everything, then we file and shave them. As you can see, there's no light gap. This is the right way to do it. Can you hand cut on this car? Yes, everybody can hand cut these days. Every window tinter is the best window tinter in the world. But why would you want somebody hand cutting on your car? Why would you want somebody using your car as a cutting board? The plotter is awesome. The new cutting systems are amazing. Load the film in, it cuts the window film, it fits perfect. You file and shave everything down to fit. It's great. So you're looking at Lumar Air 80 on the front windshield, 99.9% UV protection. Lumar CTX ceramic, 15% on the two front doors. And the back three is Lumar CTX 5%. In other words, it's limo tint, nice and dark. Front sunroof, of course, we did with the Lumar Air 80. A lot of people are going to see this video and you're not going to be from my area. I'm in Orange County, California. There's a lot of good shops out there, guys. I recommend Lumar window film. I'm sorry, on a back window like this, as difficult as this car is, you want to stay away from the boutique films. I don't recommend I'm just going to say boutique window films. I'm not going to mention any brands, but I recommend Lumar CTX or Formula One Pinnacle. Those are the two films I recommend. You want to find someone that digitally cuts the window film. You want to find somebody that has the back window in stock. You don't want somebody heat shrinking and hand cutting on your back window. This car is not hard if you do it right. Signature Glass Tinting and Lumar offer a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. We offer our no charge, no fault guarantee. So if any of these side windows are ever scratched, if any of these side windows ever break, car accident, vandalism, customer can bring it back. We'll retint it for free. All right, Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa.